Hmm. Okay, Sonu sir, please start.
Today is a very good day.
Mm-hmm.
I want to travel somewhere, but I don't want to travel alone. I like to travel with my friends, but I am not good friend in Bhopal. Nowadays, I am learning English.
Mm-hmm.
I speak English with my friend. He is not my best friend, but he is good man. He likes to travel with me. He is
Okay.
he is preparing for exam
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Come on, come on, come on.
many days. Am I right, sir?
Why would I tell you the right or wrong things?
Okay, sir. Recently, he gave a exam that the result has not announced. I know he will pass the exam. His father is a teacher. He teaches in a government school. My friend is so clever, but he does not throw party. He does not like to throw party. Today, I am going to meet him.
Okay.
I called him yesterday night. Today we are looking good. We we live together. Both of us like to travel. Both of us go to gym daily.
Uh-huh.
Both of us want to become rich. Both of us are making plan for 2 months.
Okay.
Today we are going to fail.